Well, this was up underneath that fallen carport, and it does have some damage. And all four of these tires are bad. This thing's like early 90 model, and all these tires are original. And they're so dry rotted that they won't even hold any air. Here's what happened. Crushed that. And everything works. I drove it over here. I got just enough air in the tires to drive it over here. So anyway, I got 2 new front tires there. I should have 2 more back tires today. So what I want to do is take the front tires off and show you how I get the new tires on. It's a pretty unique way I have of doing this. It's kind of secret, but I'm going to share it with you today. So let me get these off and I'll show you. All right, got them both off. Took me about 2 minutes per side. Now, the secret way of getting those tires onto these rims. Follow me. You're gonna like this. Okay, this is how easy it is. See how easy that was? And I didn't even get dirty. $10 to put the new tires on. $10 each rim, not bad. You gotta justify your time. I have tire spoons, I could have done this, but I just cannot spend that much time on my knees, on the concrete. It was enough to take them off and put them back on. Now I'm gonna lower it, move this back a little bit, and get the back tires off. Here's something weird. I ordered some food for my cat through Chewy. And they sent me an email today apologizing that it won't make it today, but it'll get here tomorrow. And my tires, FedEx, assure me that it will be here today. Well, oh, Lordy, the sun, finally. It has been gray and miserable here. Abrir la puerta. Gracias. Okay, this is the lawnmower that was underneath my collapsed carport, and look at that damage. It cranks and runs. I just put 4 new tires all the way around. This is the one that I welded a trailer hitch onto, and all we do with this is just drag that around the yard. So it doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to be functional. So I'm going to see if I can, I'm going to take the hood off and try to unsmash some of that. It's going to be ugly, but like I say, it just has to work. It doesn't have to look pretty. Man, I was not kidding when I said this wasn't going to be pretty. It is smashed to smithereens, and this plastic is really delicate. So let me get this side done, and then I'll go around and do the other side. I only gave $150 for this, so it's not the end of the world if I have to junk it and buy another one. All right, let me go do the other side here. Well, there we go. Now we'll see if this hood will close, and yeah, that'll get me through a few more years. Now, I'm going to charge that battery before I get it out of here. I think I can get one or two more years out of that battery. That's the battery that was in here when I bought this a couple years ago. All right. Now, I may go for a ride.